Howdy folks, we're in Decatur, Indiana right now for an iron pour that's being hosted at Hoosier Patterns, and they have their brand new furnace that was just built this year in the last couple of weeks, and you can hear we've already started the burn-in process, so we're expecting to have metal in about an hour. And so the community here has been hosted by Hoosier Patterns to make all these scratch blocks. Now this line of sand molds right here was all made by the elementary second grade class. And this is what some of them look like. So these are all carved and scratched by second graders. And so we're gonna be having a combination of onesie ladles and two-man shank ladles. And I'm a captain of one of the spokes of the line, and it's just gonna be a great time. So I'll check back in with you once we're a little bit further down the burn-in process. So.
I'm going over here.
So it's just these and not up here. Good job. All right, you can jump over, but we may have to even them out. Okay, that's beautiful. And then we're gonna empty some more of that into this. And I think we're just getting the design, so this is gonna be a difficult one. Yep, beautiful. That's beautiful. And then we're gonna come here, and can you just stop for a second and freeze? She's gonna put hers into yours. Yeah, beautiful. You can just step it right in. Awesome. And you're good to just keep on going? Do you want a spot? I think you Okay, can we get a spot? Can somebody just put your hand right there. That's perfect. And then let her lead. This doesn't need a shovel. You can back
No,
this.
she'll have to carry it.
Yeah, keep on going. That's beautiful. We're almost there. All right, and then maybe I think we can hit this one. That's all right. If you want to stop, just let us know. But you're looking strong. All right, and then maybe we'll do. Let's hold on. That's got a lot of detail. Can we do this one? And then we'll probably just take it. Beautiful. All the way. Yep, that's it. Awesome. Great job. Good show, everyone. All right, so we're signing off. This is the end of the pour. You can see we've dropped bottom. All the molds poured. We got to be on the double ladle big mold, which was an honor. Andrew got to pour his own molds, so that was fantastic.
First pour.
Yeah?
It was awesome.
Yeah. And I got to pour a little iron into a log, which is always fun. And yeah, let's look at what our molds. Okay, so here they are, looking good. So we're gonna wait and open them tomorrow after they cool. I mean, some people will open theirs tonight, and that's their decision. But yeah, there it is. This is what it looks like at the end of an iron pour. Beautiful furnace, beautiful tower. Look at all these onesies. It's the next day, and we're gonna open our molds. Andrew is gonna open his mold first.
We'll do the little ducks first.
We're gonna do little ducks first, and then we'll do the big ducks, and then I'll open my molds.
Yeah, you got a lot of ducks.
What do you think?
Awesome.
You should put an eye patch on it. This was like the... Steady. Nice. All right, so this is the one without the bite. It works great. It looks great. All right. Oh. I just wanted to see if it still fit. Man, that's like the best feeling.
right, so it's Saturday early evening, and we're at the Decatur sculpture tour walk where they're kind of revealing all the different sculptures that are installed for the next year or so. And this is the display that Hoosier Patterns has put out of all the scratch blocks that we poured last night. So they worked kind of like around the clock to get them all. I mean, we poured them pretty cleanly.
But then they got all sandblasted this morning.
And like anything that needed to be ground, and you know. And this is a great little display, and it's like awesome to see so quickly the turnaround of the results. And it's just been such a great trip, and like inspiring to see like a business that's so interested in giving back to the arts and to school children and getting them exposed to this type of like subtractive art making, which isn't always, I think, in the forefront. Usually art is taught as like drawing and painting and stuff, but this is like a little bit more 3D tactile, like working with your hands, scratching away, and some of the results are beautiful. So I think you saw probably, oh yeah, this is the second grade elementary school. Look at all the butterflies. I don't know if that was like the prompt to make butterflies, but this is second grade. Look at all of the beautiful variety in the depictions of what a butterfly is to them. We've got a cat, we've got a butterfly of a rainbow, a butterfly with some little buttons maybe or something. Second grade. What a gift that this community gets from this company. And then these are the community members and maybe the high school or something. This is Devil's Tower, and you saw us pour this last night with the two-man shanks. There was 4 of us, and we poured, you know, one ladle was pouring in this pour spout, and another ladle was pouring in that pour spout, and it filled the whole thing. And it's just like, look at that. This is just printed, the 3D mold with the cavity, and then we poured it, and it just came out great. Look at this.
It is. Honestly, same with
Oh, this was on our line. That one.
Have you looked at all the sculptures?
The cactus.
Oh, we did that one. The blessed, we did that.
We're live. Good morning. Why do I have on my face?
Yeah, my guy's sick, and sometimes it's bad. But then when I went to Oklahoma.
Did you do the iron pour?
Mm-hmm.
Are you
With
doing
your
that?
mom?
No, like this month coming up.
Hold it up. Let me see.
Sorry.
That's why you gotta wear safety glasses when you.
So I put my initials at the bottom of this.
Oh right, I remember that.
But the one thing when casting is you have to remember to do things backwards.
Yes, truth.
So it really just says ha.
You'll never forget that now.
Never forget that.
I feel like you wrote it and I knew that it was going to be backwards, but I didn't have the heart to tell you because it was like what's done is done. And
I was already like through it.
You were like, and look at how clever I am. I put my initials on the back. And I was like, yep, yes you did.
Ah.
Can you just check the framing on that?
Yeah. You're good.
Thank you.
But you know.
You've been like the best addition to the team because before it was just me. Well, here, stand on this side so that I can. Yeah. All right. So then I get nervous because
Then you
I'm
get
like,
nervous?
I don't, yeah. Then I'm like, oh no, I have to talk to the camera now. But and then you just start. So but you have to like be in it or not be in it. But I want to get the furnace in the background. Here, I should do something like, and then can you flip it 90 degrees so I can get a screenshot? Yeah. Okay. We're done.
There you go. Woo! Woo! Hit it.
Just load it up.
That was just almost too big. Is that one full?
Yeah, just dump it because you're pretty solid.
Woo!